Good morning, this and that family. Me hope you wake up with a thankful heart today. No matter what you face, remember, no worry yourself because God there. Him always there for we, so we not have to stress. If you're ready to be lifted up today, just sit back and relax and let the words of encouragement fill your heart. The first thing what I want to tell you is trust God in a plan them. My people, when life get rough, we start for worry. But me want to tell you one thing. God there, Him not leave we. One scripture me always hold on to. Psalm 23 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Me know it not easy to trust the process. But if we hold on to God, we know say everything are going to work out good. God see the picture and Him use every single thing for shape we. So some way you go through, God I use it for shape we, you know. Me know life can be full of stress. The bills, the family life, the responsibilities. Yes, but me I tell you, no matter the chaos, God there, Him got you. Yeah, Him got you. God there. So when you feel the stress rising, just do this. Take a deep breath. Because in the midst of the storm, we can find peace in Him. Let me give you some tips for stay calm. The first one I gotta tell you about is prayer. Take time to talk to God. Tell Him how you feel and ask for strength. The next one is deep breathing. Yeah, take a time to meditate and focus. Focus on God. Focus on peace. The next one is gratitude. Take time to look upon what you have. No care how small it is. And give God thanks for it. Yeah? Make we talk about God's peace in your life. Now me want to remind you, the peace of God not come when everything perfect. But it come when you trust Him fully and despite of the circumstances. In the Bible, God said, peace I give to you. My peace I leave with you. My peace I give unto you. Not as the world give I thee. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. That come from John 14 verse 27. When you feel the weight of the world come down by your shoulder and it heavy, out fi pop you down, just remember, God already give you peace. Yes, Him give you peace already. God already give you the peace to handle everything. So trust Him, no man. We ask you for strength and peace to face the challenges we come today. Help with trust in your plans and walk by faith. No matter the storms, God, we know say you're there. Guide our steps, Lord. Bless our family. Me hope you feel lifted today. Remember, no worry yourself. God there and Him not leave you. If you love this devotional, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment, no man. Share it with someone who need encouragement. Alright, so have a blessed day now. Bye bye and see you tomorrow in our next devotional.